Hey everyone, so today we're gonna start to talk about the array. So array is a part of the Numpy, as we all know that Numpy is very important in terms of the data science and machine learning. So I'm gonna start to talk about the basic of the array. And the first, so we have to always remember to import the Numpy, because array is a part of Numpy. And then the most basic one is, let's write our first array function. So numpy.array, and so this is the one dimensional array. So let's make it 1, 2, 3. And then we can print it out. So as we can see, it's the one-dimensional array 1, 2, 3. And what if we want to write another, so two-dimensional array? So we can write 4, 5, 6, and then see if we can print this out without error. And the answer is no. What's the problem? So in fact, we need to add another big bracket. How do you call this? Bracket? Yeah, I just call it bracket. So we have to write another big bracket within the two small ones, so the computer know that this is the whole one. This is the whole two-dimensional array. So, and now let's try. See, so we have the big bracket here, and then the small one-dimensional array inside one bracket, and then another one inside the second bracket. So basically, this is the most basic array that we can write. So the next thing I'm gonna talk about is, what if I want to output the array of the continuous numbers. Say for example, be equal numpy dot. So I want to make it to, like, say, distribute from 0 to 10. So arrange 0 to 10. So in this way, so this is pretty much similar as the range function in Python. The only thing is we add the extra A, stand for array, in the front. So in this way, numpy.arrange from 0 to 9. So again, as we all know that Python counts from 0, so when I put 0 and 10, it actually counts from 0 to 9. Therefore, and what if I want to the step of 2? So every time it doesn't print 0, 1, 2, but it prints 0, 2, 4, 6. So I just put 2 here. So 2 here means the step of 2. So when every time it print out, the next number is plus 2 of the first number. So 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. The next thing I'm going to talk about is the linspace. So pretty much similar as the arrange. The only thing is that the linspace is we give the value between 1 and 10, and then we put another value which represents for how many intervals. So how many numbers do you want to represent? Do you want to output? So we want to output 20 numbers and range from 1 to 10. And then let's print it out. So see, here we have 20 numbers, 1 2 3 4 5 6 until here 20. So the first one is 1 and the second one is 10, and then we then the numbers in between actually 10 minus 1 and then divided by 20, so it should be 0.47 something. So then the second number is 1 plus 0.47, and then the third one is 1.47 plus 0.47, and then etc. So these are the most basic functions that we can do with the Numpy array. And that's all for this video. Thank you very much. I'll see you next time.